Complication predictive factor of transurethral resection of prostate. Our hypothesis is determining the predictive factor for the complication of transurethral resection of prostate in patients followed for benign prostatic hyperplasia and prostate carcinoma. This is a transversal, analytic, and monocentric study who was conducted from June 2017 to June 2019. It contained 65 patients who had transurethral resection of prostate. The complications were classified according to Clevien-Dindot, and the quality of life was assessed by the International Prostate Symptom Score Index. Predictors of complications were identified in univariate and bivariate analysis. For descriptive phase, the descriptive analysis performed are the mean and standard deviation for quantitative data with Gaussian distribution and the median with interquartile space for data with no Gaussian distribution, relative and absolute for categorical or qualitative data. Inferential phase, person T-score test or Fisher-Exa test was performed to compare the percentage. Student t-test compared the mean and Mann-Whitney U-test compared the median. The Kaplan-Meier method was used to describe the incidence of complications during hospitalization. The Lange test was used to compare the curve. The complication predictor and poor quality of life were solved by Cox regression with calculation of hazard ratio in order to determine the degree of risk. For all the tests carried out, the value of P less than 0.05 was the threshold of statistical significance. Our result: the mean age of the patient was 70 years, with 90% was male, and 81% of our sample had a university degree. Dysuria and nocturia were the main complaint at admission in 72.2% and 26%. Urine analysis identified Klebsiella pneumoniae in 16.9% of cases. The anatomopathological analysis revealed prostatic carcinoma in 46%, followed by hyperplasia fibroleioadenomatosis associated with PINE 1 and 2 and chronic prostatitis in 28%. Post-operative complications were observed in 20% of cases, including urinary incontinence in 46% and urinary retention in 39%. Complications were high beyond day 7 in 20%, and most were classified Clevien-Dindot 3A in 30%. The identified predictor factor was urinary retention, prostatic carcinoma, transfusion, and length of operation greater than 120 minutes. Quality of life recorded at patients with complications with odds ratio 8.2 and at those with moderate to severe symptomatology, odds ratio 3.57. Interpretation of the result: urinary tract infection, intraoperative blood transfusion have emerged as predictor of complication after resection transurethral of prostate. There was also a clear correlation between the International Prostatic Symptom Score, post-resection transurethral of prostate complication, as well as quality of life. Conclusion: urinary infection, high grade, prostate carcinoma, per-operative blood transfusion, and a long duration of the operation are complication predictor which all surgeons must take in account in the daily practice of surgery.